Hey guys, I'll do another unboxing. I just got this sent for free to me. Not even sure what it was until I looked it up here on Amazon. So these are like, it's an artificial cloud prop, imitation cotton. So you can, I guess, make, never heard of something like this before, but, all right, so it has a little sticky thing here with a little eyelet there, you can see, and it has this like fish line wrapped around it, or line here, and so whoa, yeah, so it's like a little cloud prop, I guess. So you could put it in a nursery room, or whatever. It's pretty soft. I mean, you make it different. It does actually kind of look like a cloud, so you can pull on it and put it back together or whatever, and it's yeah, look, it does look kind of like a cloud flying by. That's actually kind of cool. I mean, if you're doing some kind of props or layout where you wanted to put some clouds in the background or whatever, you could do that. So I looked it up on Amazon. This runs about $16.99 is the price on it. So like I said, this was sent to me for free. I'm supposed to let you guys know that. So I'm not getting any, they didn't pay me to make this video or anything. I just got it sent for free though. But I'm an Amazon associate, so I'll put a link to this item in the description below if you guys want to check it out. If you're in need of a cloud or something like that, then yeah, you can get them from this spot here. It's pretty soft. I mean, it does, you can like put it in different shapes that you want or whatever, and it kind of like wispy and stuff, and then obviously you can hang it from the ceiling. Maybe if you're doing some kind of a little theme in the bedroom or something like that, you could have little clouds floating around. But kind of interesting. Never seen anything like that before. I didn't even know about that until they sent it to me. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.